Have you been holding back building a compost pile because it's too hard to manage or too cumbersome to turn? Or maybe it looks messy in your backyard. Hi, I'm Kellie Hallenbeck, a UC Master Gardener of Sacramento County. And here with my helper Tom, we're here to show you how to build a design that's easy to turn using a stackable method that's not only attractive, but customizable too. Let's get started. We're going to build a bin about 3 foot by 3 foot by 3 foot tall. If you would like a larger bin, you would just add more layers. For this project, you will need 10 untreated redwood or cedar fencing boards, 1 inch by 6 inch by 6 feet. 10 feet of 2 by 2 boards, 1 pound of flathead wood screws, 2 clamps, a drill with 2 bits, 1 to pre-drill and 1 to drive in the screws, a measuring tape, a skill saw, a pencil or marker, and a workspace. Now Tom is measuring and cutting the 34 3/4 inch board. This will become the inside board. Tom's next step is to mark and cut the 2 inch by 2 inch board into 6 inch lengths for a total of 20 pieces. These small pieces will be used in the corners of each square stacking bin to act as the legs and separate the layers for some air circulation. Now that all the pieces are cut, the first step in assembling the bin is to place 2 leg pieces flush with the edge of the shorter board. Make sure to leave a 1.5 inch offset from the top of the board. This will create the legs for each bin layer. Pre-drill and drive 2 screws into the short board and the 2 by 2 at both ends. Next, place the longer board against the butt end of the shorter board and the 2 by 2s that are already attached. Clamp into place, pre-drill, and drive in the screws. To complete the square, repeat the same process on the other side. Now to assemble the bin, you just stack the layers together. To turn the compost pile, simply remove the wooden layers to a new spot, then refill the stack while adding water. So there you have it. This attractive compost bin is easy enough for anyone to use. You can turn this into this into this. So let's get composting.
Thanks for joining us, Sacramento County Master Gardeners YouTube channel.